Tensions along the volatile Assam-Meghalaya border flared up once again today as a critical meeting convened at the Tapat police outpost failed to break a deadlock between local communities from both states. DC Priti Kumari SP of Hamran Police Station, Village Headman SGB, Village President, Secretary of Tapat Village and Karbi Students Association Hamran Regional Committee, West Karbi Anglong, Assam, and from Meghalaya, Abhinav Kumar Singh, IAS, DC, West Jentia Hills District, SP, Village Headman, Demoni Lindo, and leaders of Lapangap Village, West Jentia Hills, Meghalaya, came together for talks to defuse escalating agricultural friction. However, despite hours of deliberation, the meeting concluded with no solution result. The primary point of contention revolves around the vital agricultural lands in the area. The local Karbi community of Tapat has strictly banned the Pinners residents of Lapangap, Meghalaya, from tilling and cultivating their traditional paddy fields. According to community leaders from the Assam side, this economic and agricultural blockage is being strictly enforced to seek justice for the killing of late Orivel Timu. Timu, a resident of Tapat village, was tragically killed during violent border clashes between the two sides in October of last year. On the other side of the border, the Pinner farmers of Lapangap are facing severe livelihood distress. With the peak cultivation season underway, being banned from their fields threatens their economic survival. The stand of today comes just days after hundreds of Lapangap villagers staged a massive protest march to the Meghalaya Secretariat in Shillong, demanding state protection against harassment and interference from Karbi groups. In response to those protests, the Meghalaya government recently deployed Special Force 10, SF-10, commandos and additional police platoons to the border to ensure the safety of its farmers. Concurrently, Assam police personnel maintained a strong presence at the Tapat outpost to prevent any sudden outbreak of violence. While civil and police administrations from both West Karbi Anglong and West Jentia Hills have been urging both sides to maintain peace and adhere to the status quo, the emotional scars from last year's fatality have deeply complicated the broader interstate boundary dispute. As the talks ended in the stalemate today, the paddy fields remain barren and the atmosphere along the Tapat-Lapangap stretch remains highly sensitive, with security force on high alert to avoid any law and order breakdown.
Today, a village level meeting between the villagers of Tapat and villagers of Lapangap of Meghalaya happened. The meeting just concluded. Whatever decision that has been taken in that particular meeting will be shared with you if there is a press release. Else, subsequent meetings might also happen with respect to this particular matter.
What will be happen from tomorrow, ma'am?
I can't say tomorrow what exactly are you expecting from tomorrow.
Ma'am, cultivation and others.
At this point of time, whatever agreement they had, whatever discussion with respect to cultivation or plantation they had, they have already discussed in that particular meeting. And no conclusion could be arrived at in that particular meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Kachuni rilam thegla pilo thoplo nilitum la bangso tapat kwa pirthelo achuri apong lo stameni tum listen solution bang bada joini si pini on ta chhong bomlo nasi nili ki pudam ji kwa bang ke lalo la bangso alam ki apong lo kacharu nitum sarkar bustame la soalam alam ki la pajuji phan nitum chuningri apatai dupik lo bustame kosan pen kosolone nanan tapachun thekhala la sichuniri lo nilitum pini ke cerai lama bangalang lo ke damtang hok lo nilitum tapat asor bate karbiara ratum le chumang tum jasimet ke hidi naklen longlep nitum kham fevrat ke kali nitum ka chuniri sona bang ke hala karlitang orivel pran karmuda abang ko tumpat nep engnang si alang tumpat ha akang sai pinangji pulaso isi ke kadiman lo hinia bang ke longle phela bate ahoy lama bang ke la ke lapanga ba tapat asor le chingwai ni lipate ratum le ahoy lama puta bagela tum le kijong na yili pu pense ang som tumpan hudai na busi hudai le bon stambe la tum bang ke hala ke dam tang hu hala bang thoma phan ke neping na lo hoklo amen akuran tanang pilaw lo bon stame isi ke chok che isi ke ton thudat alama bang ke alang tum la let orivel timu ki thi lot la ke lapangap along le arlo pulang tum ni da joine se chiton tu thada la so posipini ania ko chingki thuna koklo hala daleng se ketok la ke lapangap area arlo pule lang tum tok tada to sante pini sana ko chingki thu yok to nai polo jong se la tum lapangap area arlo puyong se ni tum chidon dum det lo plotang te la ke mekhle arlo mandet po la ke la so alam la so ko da chet se mo ke la tum pen se nang tum se hala so ni orivela phana pathi lo da tum bang ke lapangap arong arlo puna tum chidon dum lo ke plong ta la ke Meghalaya along lelo pula solam dokongna kumatha pensini kumbang object da putha bangkilo so bang correction claim nang ji pulo pen pini meeting long tame ni pulo nang tum administrative atum jong se ki bangi polling artidun long te la ke Assam lo la ke Meghalaya pulo tang te ko son se muni tum la dar ning ching sam dula se sona bang nang tum ke inut empire plong te empire do pamene aron te ipsidoni yong se one sided dam lo tang te la so game bange hinon dab ji pusum kan la lo order tomata pudun lo nase ako ni putulo itu la border alama bangke itu administrative atum pen la pen itu rong searching wa chot bangke chok chede ji la ha border alam yong se pachun ji pulutang te la ke politically alam sedam nang ji po la ke age the giding tum EMCM atum chief minister pen cheng lok la tum ben se chingki jitan pen se claim nang ji kali plong te ni tum rat la pen tum administrative tum penching wa chot bangke kam chunche themanang tum loan order tum ke peace do naji monsam do nei polam sena tum ke claim chot la pengke dam tang holo ni tum the so pachiro long lo pipo se pachiro long lo pole ya tum matha ta hai chuke pachiro long mesen nona bangke aku pa claim thulong le de uta ya tum matha ji alama bangke la lo hoklo orivel timu phan nep kapathia tum phan nep ingnang ne ko bonsta me ni tum bangke pachuklem long lo so pachirim long lo alama bangke monsam ke kenang so monsam do bek nang ji pu ko matha pensi ni tolang tum pachirim long lo pachirot long lo athema lo so monsam do nai pu bangke lahe pen ap kithi gi ding do pen me khale a sai pen tuna karbiang lo sai pen ala tum na chuni ri pen se choklo orivel pang pathi tum phanjong se pranarmul neblong le lang pustame to monsam ge kenang so pose ni tum chedon pen se agreement chip to tame hala tum agreement na teng ba lang tum order da po joine se apong ni tum chingwa na koklo te pini le thor stame dongle phelang alama bangke alang tum ni tum chuni ri teng na tum longle hoklo hidi ke nang tum se chuklam tanda pot chuklam non polo bonsta me inglong bangke ni tum kar beng long along le tanda pot lak ni tum phan pachuklam long lang ji kolam pudulo bosta belang tum polo lahai lama bangke longle inglong bangke nang tum der gili tum claim rap penang chorap pena athema lake aningkan bate thingpi penar phek long te lake phok itang lo te kai si lo po lahai bang claim nang da se pene nikan si chuklem chot hormu le claim chot nang ko masala so bang ke ni pulo ni tuma dimanyo se ba ni tuma chuni resong sanang chedon dun de prote pinia bang ke ni tum tapar hin tan bang ke la so lama bang ke na chedon te the la ke ni tum le la so long le ke yong se na chedon dun de ponte la ke nang tuma phanang hodai be alam se de ra po ni tum ke la so puta pa chedon de asipini ching wai long bang ke ini puching ke sai ke dostame agreement ison ba agreement ke du ko bang ke ison ta chikroi pate ke cerai thi lama bang be mutani tum pudun itum tapat pendet po bang ke rom penta cerai lo lahai ka do we lama bang ke itum tapat pendek ni tum ode la he ang song tum dulang halat
News Desk report Northeast 24/7 Karbi Anglong